What is it doing, baby?
Me.
Oh. Is that for mommy? Dance, Maeve. Dance. Dance, can you do it? Can you do it? Can you dance for mommy?
She danced a little bit.
Maeve,
Maeve.
can you dance? Dance. You gotta do the dance. Yeah! Woohoo! Dance! Woohoo! Babe, what are you dressed up as? You look like a fairy. Dance! Woohoo! Dance! Woohoo! Oh. Say thank you, Uncle Jordan.
Well, thank you, Minnie. Here you go.
Mom thought it was too fast. I guess it depends on who you ask.
Okay.